Welcome back guys, Amar here from Magic Coding, and in this video we are continuing with our color helix script. In this one video we are gonna add a little twist to our wall. So let's go ahead and open up our scripts, then wall scripts, and open up our wall script. Now that we're here, we're gonna add one more boolean, which is gonna be private boolean small wall. And what is our small wall gonna do? Well, basically, if we have our small wall to be true, we are gonna get smaller wall, which is gonna add a bit more difficulty in our game. But first, we're gonna check if random.value is less or equals to, let's say, 0.2. So I have like 20% of getting this wall. If that is true, we're going to say that our small wall equals to true. Then we are going to check if our small wall is true. So like if it is true, we are going to increase our rotation z, or actually decrease. If our small wall equals true, we're going to say rotation, so rotation z max equals to 90. Else, our rotation max will be equal to 180, which is by default. Then we have to go to our add star, and here we're gonna check again if our small wall is true. One thing is going to happen, else one other thing. So if small wall is true, we're gonna add this. So let me remove it. Else, if it's not true, we're gonna add this. And if it is true, we're gonna add it on the 14 get child. And with this, we are pretty much done with it. So what have we done? Well, we basically tested. We had a random.value to put our small wall to be true, which is by default false. If it is true, we're gonna get smaller wall, and we're gonna add the same things that we have already added to our game. So you can see, this is what I mean when I say our small wall. Well, is our helix wall 1. It is smaller, so like you have a less chance of hitting the wall where you need to hit it. Like here is small, then is a big one. As you can see, like this, it's easier to hit, but with the other wall, it will be a bit more difficult than it was before. Other than that, everything else will stay the same. As you can see, our game, it is working perfectly. And that will be it for this video. I know it's kind of short, but I cannot add anything to it that will be like as a reference. I'm just gonna finish it here and continue with another tutorial.